Hi, today's Thursday, July 2nd. Our tiny home build. I wanted to talk about leveling and straightening and squaring up the roof system. So, building a trailer and working with metal apparently is far different than working with wood. So you can see that the trailer dipped quite a bit in the middle, trailer framing. So the first thing we did is we leveled all four corners of the trailer using a transit. Once that was done, we raised the wall and we strung a line, not that line, but a line similar to that, on the top plate so that we could see how far it was dipping in what areas. And then we got a block and ran the block under the line and brought the wall up to where it needed to be to make it level from one end to the other. And we put shims in underneath to maintain it. And to straighten the wall, we ran this line and we racked the wall out just a little bit and then installed these 1-bys nailed and screwed in, and then we, using this line, we put a block underneath it and we sucked it in until it was level, or until it was straight with these pieces. We banged them in until we had the same distance on that line all the way across. And you see we have 3 of them in here. So that kept the wall straight, and then we brought the next wall straight using these cross members, these 2x4s. And then to square up the roof, we went from the peak, you go from either peak, but we went from the far peak over there through the dormer to this corner. Took a measurement, then we went to that corner from the peak and took a measurement, and we found out what the distance was, or what the difference was. Oh no, I'm wrong. We went from that corner, from that peak, excuse me, to this corner after that. So from this peak to that corner, and then from this peak to that corner, and the difference was 3/8 of an inch. Not much, but in order to get that the same, we had to, I believe it was 3/8 more on this, no, it was 3/8 less on this measurement than it was on this measurement. So we needed to bring the roof that way, so we used this 2x4 and banged it up against this wall, boom, 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 until we got the difference we wanted. I hope that makes sense. I hope I explained it properly. Next up for us is sheathing the roof.